cooking black chicken. This is the black chicken. Cut the chicken into right size pieces such as this. This is Chinese dry mushroom which will be used for this dish. Ginger cut into pieces. Spring onion. That is Chinese spices special available in Chinese supermarkets. That is goat cheese. Goat cheese is also Chinese ingredient. Put it into the water for some time to get it soft and dust to be washed off. And what is that? Huh? Like barley. Yeah, it is a Chinese seed or cereal similar to barley. That is Chinese dates. Chinese dates. This is available in supermarkets. Sliced carrot. Cut a potato. This is dried mushroom which has been soaked in water for some time, about 2 hours, so that the dirt, sand and other items are washed off. And squeeze them out of water, thoroughly washed. Look like this. The Chinese dry mushroom. Put a little cooking oil into the saucepan and add already cut black chicken. It's sizzling now. Maximum 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it properly. Be cooked. And now add already added spring onion, and now add dried mushroom. Now add, what is that? Goat cheese. Now added the Chinese spices. Mushroom washed water.
Yeah. 就是one of season, wash 3 times.
Yeah.
Then the last moment, this juice has more flavor.
The third time washed mushroom, that water is added as an added flavor. So that is, it's like chicken broth. You can say mushroom broth. Be careful, don't add the first wash. Only the third wash to be added, because first and the second wash will have dirt in it. What is that? Oyster sauce.
Then oyster sauce. Want the light sauce? I don't have.
1 tablespoon. This is light soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon. And now mix it thoroughly so that the spices get mixed up. It is getting cooked now. Some foam will be formed while cooking, so carefully scrape it out and remove the foam from the dish or from the saucepan. Some water. If the water is not sufficient, add cut potato and the carrot pieces finally, and now it is boiling. How much time this has to be boiled?
30 minutes, 40 minutes.
So the boiling time will be around 40 minutes. So that totally, so that all chicken and the items are cooked properly. Keep the saucepan closed while boiling. This is how it is at the end of 40 minutes. The black chicken pieces. Make sure to remove the Chinese spice bag from the dish. That's the finished black chicken dish.